What is up, guys? Danny this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to send draft mails in Gmail. So first, head over to your Gmail's website, and after that, on the left side, click on this draft section. From here, you will see all your draft. After clicking on the draft that you want to send, on the top, you can see the email of the recipient. You need to enter the email of the recipient that whom you want to send, and then you need to add the content and the subject. And after adding all of these three things, on the left side at the bottom, you can see the send option. Simply click on that, and then you will see to your left side, a pop-up window will appear wherein it will say that the message has been sent. And as you can see here, my draft has been removed and the message has been sent to that mail. And as you can see in the inbox section, here is the email that I have sent now. So this is how you can send draft mails in Gmail. That was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.